down, 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 down. And I have a really big forehead. Thank God for frontals. Could cover that thing on up. You're gonna put your cap on, just like this. And today we're not using glue. I'm not really here for it. I don't really want to be confined to any glue today. So we're going to use the Gots to Be or whatever. And the same makeup that you used on your face is going to be the same makeup that you can put right here. You can use the brand that I always show you guys. It's just really up to you. Just like that. And being that this is the glueless install, you don't really have to mold this down. Bingo. By the way, when you're doing a glueless wig, you can mold the wig down prior to installation, or you can do it while it's on your head. I chose to just do it before, so I did this last night. In the same way that you would do it on your head, you would do it off your head. The key to a glueless wig is having an elastic band inside of it, like this. And where you would sew it at is right behind your ears. So, the way that you can put this on, I'm going to show you. But first things first, you're going to get that same makeup and put it on the inside of your lace, just like this. Same thing. I always show you guys the RK by Kiss brand, but it's just, you can use whatever makeup you want, whatever makeup that you can find that matches your skin tone. I just like to use that one. As long as it's a liquid or a cream type of, foundation, that's the one that you want to go with. The powder doesn't really give you the effect that you're going to need when it comes down to a lace. This is how you put your wig on. This. Just like that. And then you can position your wig to wherever you want it to come. I like to bring mine above my hairline a little bit. I do my clients the same exact way. Then you want to protect your edges. Let's just say that this was a unit that was glued down. You really don't want to put it on your client's edges. So these are my edges back here, but the lace is all the way up here. Like, you don't really want to put that on your edges. And that's just how it looks like when you put it on. It's just blended, like, perfect. Can you see that? Like, get into it. Like, let's get into this. And this is the wig that I wore for my birthday. I really love the highlights. I'm going to attach the person's Instagram below who did the color for me. And this is 4 bundles of body wave and a 13x6 frontal. And I made this wig myself. And that's just really it. Like, you don't have to put the Gots to Be if you don't want to, but I'm hanging out today and I don't need my wig to be lifting up. That's not cute, honey. So what you're going to do is get the Gots to Be glue gel. And you're just going to put it right here. You don't have to put it all under here because this is secured. Like, this is down. But when it comes down to the sides, you need to have this secured. So this is what you're going to be worried about. And you're going to use it the same way as if it was glue. Thin layers. And then you want to get the blow dryer. Just like that. Just like that. Baby. The wig ain't going nowhere, okay? I could flip my head and it's secured. Now this side, you're gonna do the same exact thing. Blow dry it a little bit first, and then you're gonna go ahead and stick it down. So you blow dry it. You can do it on cool, you can do it on warm, whatever one you want. Blow dry it a little bit. Go ahead and get it. Stick it down. Blow dry. Okay, so once you finish blow drying, mind you, I said that I molded this wig down onto this dome head last night. So it's the same process as if you were doing it on yourself. Oh, bitch. But anyway, back to what I was explaining to you guys. You want to get that same effect. So I molded these down. I told you guys that I use IAmErickaJ molding foam wrap, whatever it's called. And you're just gonna comb them out, because you don't want them to be hard and you don't want them to look hard. And this stuff is like a very good product, as you can tell, because when you're molding something down, you really want it to be molded. Like I really hate that foam wrap where it's super oily and it doesn't work. This is like that real deal foam wrap. You gotta actually like comb that bad boy out. So you're just gonna comb these out. You're gonna get your Bio Silk again, and you're just gonna smooth it all over your hair. And today I'm gonna go with curls again. And I hope you guys enjoyed this glueless tutorial. I'm gonna show y'all the ending results. This is not a trick. This is not a scam, baby. This is completely glueless. And y'all seen it on camera. What else? Drop some other tutorials that I should do next below. Bye, guys. Boot up, and my heart go bottom. Boot up.
Ain't this what they been waiting for? You ready? AT, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you.
City girls from the 305. Ghetto booty, pretty face, thick thighs. Period. Y'all bitches know we lie. Pimp a nigga head straight to Ocean Drive. Period. I'm the baddest, y'all said it, ho. Say that then. Bitch,
hustling, 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 hustling.